Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, what's this? 1, 2, 3 days as a platinum dasher. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it 100 with you, man. Listen, we finna start this up. It has not been going too swell. Platinum, it ain't it. It just ain't it. We've been paused. Let's go ahead, unpause it, see what we got going on. First order of the day, 1-to-1 mouse money ratio at good old McDonald's. Let's slide. What we got? They giving out extra toys, free gifts. Where is my free gift? Listen, let's pick up this order, see what we got going on. Good old Mickey Sneeze. You know, they come through for you. Had them orders ready. This order is straight up trash. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Going to the college campus. Let's get it dropped off. Look at this, man. Trash everywhere. I can't even believe it, boy. I can't even believe it. I'm leaving this right there. Listen, it ain't got nothing to do with me. I got to get up out of here. First order of the day. Let's get it done. What's this? Order number 2. Alright, it ain't no plat, but it's something. $5. Couple of miles. Let's see if they got it ready. They do got it ready. Let's slide up out of here. Listen, I've been doing platinum for like 3 days now. I have not got no catering orders. It's been all little bitty orders like this. Small bags. Nothing to write home about. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep it 100 with you. Listen, this might be my last day as a platinum driver because I gave it the good old college try, and it just ain't hit. As soon as I left, we got order number 3 coming in. $11.25, 8.7 miles. 4 items. At least it got some highway. Order number 3. So them first 2 orders I just did brung me up to 75%, guys. And let's go ahead and check. Now I know this customer tip good because the base pay on these Dollar General orders, sometimes it's $2.75, sometimes it's $4. But for it to be $11 and only 4 items, this customer had to throw like $7 tip on there at least. We had a 75%. We on order number 3. At least the order's coming in quickly today. We not having to wait a long, terrible amount of time. But check it out. We over here by these rich folks and they only tipping a couple bucks. We got to get away from her, y'all. Alright, so we did have to grab a case of water, some Tostitos, some Doritos, and a Red Bull, but I was able to grab it all. Alright guys, so we just got that Applebee's dropped off. Let me go ahead and throw this thing in park real quick. I'm sitting here sipping on some orange juice. And we had to decline 2 Aldi's orders because I don't really like shopping at Aldi's. It's hard to find the items in there. They don't really make it easy. My phone holder is falling off of the windshield as I speak. So let's go ahead and take that phone off of there because that is definitely not staying stuck up there like it's... But yeah, so one order came in at $7.60 for 16 items at Aldi's. I hate shopping at Aldi's. We're not doing that. And then this one wasn't so bad. It came through as a platinum offer. 6 items at Aldi's. I actually just missed this one. I took the screenshot and I wasn't quick enough and it timed out. So I missed that one, but honestly, guys, I wasn't even mad about it because like I said, I don't like shopping at Aldi's. It's not easy to find the items in there. So anything above 2 items, I'm really not trying to go up in there. And after getting those 2 orders, we got this one, $7, 3.9 miles. And that's the one we just got done knocking out. You know, we got a $5 tip on it. I'm cool with it. I would like to get some more orders done, but we gonna see because me missing those 2 Applebee's, those 2 Aldi's orders, that definitely brung my acceptance rate down. Let me see. We had a 74. So that means I'm probably gonna have to do like 10 orders before I see any kind of increase on my AR, guys. This is just the cost of doing business when you worried about your acceptance rate. You know, if I wasn't trying to make it to 80%, give myself some room to decline, none of this would even matter. But it is what it is. Look, at least we in the platinum tier. Let's try to keep it right there. Let's try to get order number 5 done and see where that lands us. We had about 30 bucks. No, we had about 26 bucks. So we ain't really doing good over there either. But I think we've been out for what? I think I've been out for 2 hours, y'all. Yep, I think I've been out for 2 hours and I'm at 20-something. You know what? Let's pull over because I don't like it when I don't know for sure. It say 12:39. I've been dashing since 12:39. So if I've been dashing since 12:39, it's almost 2:39. That's 2 hours right there. Okay. Well then what about that first order I knocked out? 42 to 12:39. I got 1 order done in the first hour. And then we just got another 3 orders done. That's crazy. We've been out here for 3 hours already. Ain't no way I've been out here for 3-4 hours. Damn, y'all, we've been out here for 3-4 hours. And we are sitting at $25. This is all bad. All right, let's see what come in next. Actually made $23 on that dash. I went on and ended it. And as you can see right here, the map is gray. But I still got my dash now. So that's the beauty of being platinum. You can dash when it ain't busy. But do I want to dash? Not really, because that's when you have an increased chance of seeing the worst of the worst offers. Now, I know it's some catering orders out here in this time period, but let me be honest, like, they not finna send them to me. I'm about to go home, take me a break. We're gonna hop back out for the night shift.